What's up, everybody? It is Amrinder Singh, and today we're gonna talk about two Punjabi words, which is very similar, little different meaning, but a lot of people get confused between these two verbs. All right, and I'm gonna explain these two verbs in different situation in the past, present, future, and other conditional sentences. So these two verbs are marna and marna. Marna means when somebody died, and marna when you kill somebody, and for example, if you wanna say like mar gaya, so in past it's going to be mar gaya, but if you wanna say like he has to die, if like you has to die if you wanna be loved by people, there's a phrase in Punjabi because a lot of people criticize you while you're alive and you died. Then they say, oh, he was a good person, something like that. It's pretty common between people. So in Punjabi, there's a phrase Punjabi people use. So it is like, changa hon vaste sonu marna penda. Changa means to be a good person, you have to die. So marna penda. So this word marna, which means to die. So it means you have to die if you want to become a good person. So this word marna means you die, itself. That time we use this one. And another word, the marna. All right. Marna is basically when you kill somebody. For example, ਜੇ ਤੂੰ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਨਾ ਮਾਰਿਆ ਤਾਂ ਉਹ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਮਾਰ ਦੂ. All right. Na ਮਾਰਿਆ, like if you didn't kill him, he's gonna kill you. Marna. ਜੇ ਤੂੰ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਨਾ ਮਾਰਿਆ. Na means not or no. Marna means kill. So these two words are different. Marna means die, and marna when you kill. So in past, how would you use in past? That's if you wanna say somebody died yesterday, right? You will say, "Oh, kal mar gaya." He died yesterday. Mar gaya. It means he died. Oh, kal accident ch mar gaya. He died in accident yesterday. Alright, mar gaya. So marna verb is going to be mar gaya in past. Marna become mar gaya in past. And we say like he killed an animal yesterday. Alright. Then we will say ਉਹਨੇ ਕੱਲ ਇੱਕ ਜਾਨਵਰ ਮਾਰਤਾ. ਉਹਨੇ ਕੱਲ ਇੱਕ ਜਾਨਵਰ ਮਾਰਤਾ. It means he killed an animal yesterday. So marna becomes marta. Alright. Marna become in past marta, and marna become marikia. That's the difference. Alright. In future, if you want to use this word future, alright. For example, you want to say if you drive fast, alright, you will die. Alright. ਜੇ ਤੂੰ ਤੇਜ਼ ਗੱਡੀ ਚਲਾਵੇਂਗਾ ਤਾਂ ਤੂੰ ਮਰ ਜਾਏਗਾ. Alright. ਮਰ ਜਾਏਗਾ or ਮਰ ਜਾਵੇਂਗਾ. Alright. So ਮਰ ਜਾਏਗਾ, ਮਰ ਜਾਵੇਂਗਾ, ਮਰ ਜੂਗਾ. These kind of stuff we use when you die. And if we say like he's going to kill you, alright, ਉਹ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਮਾਰੂਗਾ. Now it's maruga, alright. So basically in the future it's changed. In the future there are a lot of variation. If you wanna use this word marna when it's died itself, in future it's going to be like maruga, o maruga, main marunga, tu marenga, o marnge. Did you see the variation when we changed the pronoun is going to be changed? Same with the other verb marna when you kill somebody. So you will say main marunga. Basically, another thing is that marna means not only kill somebody, it also means hit somebody. One mere marya. One mere marya. It means he hit me. So marna also means hit. It also means kill. When you kill somebody. And marna is only die when you die. Alright. So anyway, if you want to say marna in future, like main marunga, o maruga, o marnge, something like that. Alright. So this is how these two verbs are a little different, how we use in different situations. So there are other obligation sentences when we say, like, let's say there's some kind of dangerous animal you are trying to kill, maybe it's a snake, all right? So you want to say, just kill it. So in Punjabi you say, maar de, right? So it means hit it or kill it. So, and if some, like, there's also another phrases, like when you say marna, and a lot of people say it, especially parents. If you're bothering them, they will say, ja kite mar ja. It means just go somewhere and die, when you're bothering them. So marja. So yeah, so these two words, you need to know the difference. It's very important. And another thing, there's a difference. Marna is like a marna, and marna is like a sound. Marna. Some people who really beginner, they get confused between these two words. So marna, when it's die itself. Marna means when you kill somebody or kill something. It also means hit, all right? One thappad marya or one mere marya. Marya means he hit it. Thappad marya, he slaps me. So marna has two meanings, kill and hit. Marna has one meaning, when to die, all right? So you don't need to confuse between these two words. And this is what I was going to explain to you, because some people have confusion about it. So anyway, if you enjoy my podcast, you think you're getting the value from it, so you can support me through Patreon. Links are in the description. And even if you want to take private classes from me, check the description. You can go on my Patreon, you can check their plans, and you can contact me. My email is also there. So anyway, I hope you learned something new today, and I'll be back with another lesson in another day.